Yo, so today guys, we're going to be doing a full in-depth review over the upcoming Air Jordan 1 washed heritages. These things right here speak for themselves. We're going to hit you guys some B-roll, hit you guys on feet, and show y'all how clean these joints actually are, man. Let's go ahead and get to today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video we got scheduled for you guys today. We're going to be premiering this joint, so I'm going to be definitely engaging with you guys down below in the comments, seeing what y'all think about, this upcoming release. We like 2 months early with this review and on feet, so it's always dope to bring you guys these early looks, so you guys can let me know if you're going to be grabbing them, if you're going to be passed on them, and what your overall thoughts are over whatever sneaker we're showing y'all guys early, man. So subscribe right now if you're new, hit the notification bell, and please give a huge like on today's video. It is greatly appreciated. Let's go ahead and get up to 500 likes, and I know we can do it with you guys' support, man. So I don't know if you guys remember the unboxing that we did for these joints. I showed you guys the box. It's super different right here, as you guys can see. It's like a gradient, gray and black box with the speckles all around it. I don't know what inspired them to do this, but I do know when we got the Air Jordan 1 heritage, it's just a red and white pair. We had an all white box with the red Nike up top, nothing else inside, just the standard inside paper, tissue paper, and all that good stuff. But the official size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, fire red, and white. And I got these in a size 9.5. I typically go with a size 9 on my Jordan 1s, but I said, you know what, I gotta grab these things. Very anticipated, highly anticipated for me to cop these, and now we have them today, man. And bang, man, check them out. These will be releasing June the 10th. So like I said, it's now March the March the 17th or something like that. We are literally some months early with these bad boys right here. When I had the opportunity to grab them, I said, you know what, I actually do like these. I don't mind spending a little extra money to actually have these in the collection and to show them to you guys early. I do want to say that the quality hits that they did with these, the material, the suede on the toe box, and you kind of have that same type of leather you got on the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, but it's just not that crackled feel. So I don't know if you guys can kind of peep this. I'm gonna hit you guys with some B-roll, but it's not like your regular tumble leather. It's more like a flat but good leather, if that makes sense. You did get an extra set of laces with these, some black laces. Check them out right there. They don't come attached to the sneaker anymore. I guess it's for Nike to go more green, save the environment, and it's just stored in this regular little recycled cardboard box. But me myself, I definitely think I am going to keep the white laces equipped in these. I do like how you got that red Nike ear up there. Give it a little splash of color, because when you look around the entire sneaker, just predominantly gray and white sneaker with your two-tone gray hits on the heel of these joints leading down towards the back of the sneaker. Get that nice little pop out wings logo over here. Kind of matches the midsole. I don't know if that's kind of picking up, but it's not like a true white. It's more like a little off-white, eggshellish white. I think Jordan Brand did a great job with, switching up the colors, giving us something new. And these right here, like I said, is definitely a banger in my opinion. And then when you check out the outsoles, man, you get your regular black, track pads for your Air Jordan 1, nothing crazy down there. And you do get a suede Nike swoosh on these bad boys right here. We usually get the leather right here, but they did switch it up. Gave us that suede all the way around these Air Jordan 1 washed heritages, man. So I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment sections, man, how you feeling these joints releasing June the 10th, retailing for $180. Glad they didn't, raise up any more than what it already is. I missed them 160 days, I ain't gonna lie. I know it's only $20 off, but I'm telling y'all, man, them taxes, them shipping fees definitely add up. Hiking that price up on all this things you should be cop. All in all, I really like this sneaker. I don't know if you guys originally see my, initial unboxing. I was super excited when I see them. I said, yo, these joints is tough. But I already know people are gonna sleep on these. It's not a Travis Scott, but just know if it had that backward swoosh on these bad boys right here, everybody and their mama will be trying to cop the washed heritage Air Jordan 1s. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. We're going to go ahead and jump right into this on feed over the clean Air Jordan 1 washed heritages. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section. I can't wait to read you guys' thoughts and opinions. Let's get right into it, man.